So what we have got here is this is an 18mm fitting, that one. Right, and this is 16mm copper. So a lot of people haven't seen that 16mm copper, but that is 16mm copper. That is an 18mm fitting, and I just don't like it to fit it. So what I've got is I've got a 15 to 16mm fitting, because if you look at that, you can't get a 15mm on. You can't get 15mm over it. So I've had to order 16mm. Oh, and it fits, baby. Now the only problem is it has got one of them inners, and I don't know. You've seen me. This is live. I'm just taking it off there. And I don't know if that's going to fit, boy. So what we're going to do is, we're going to slide that on, yeah? I wonder if I twat that on. Because the problem is the olive's got a split on it.
Olive was a woman.
Yeah. So, I wonder if what we need to do is, we don't have problems, we only have solutions. I think it's a bit of gentle. Oh yeah, man. Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. Nice. Oh, look at that. It just worked like a dream, hasn't it? But what we're going to do is we're going to PTFE this olive, and then if it fails there, it's not going to fail in there. Do you know what I mean? So let's take that out. And PTFE this as well, boy. Know why? Know why I'm going to PTFE this? Because I can. And because this is unknown territory. But if this don't work, already spoke to customer, if this doesn't work, I'm afraid what we're going to do, we're going to have to repipe it all. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And then for this split olive, I'm going to PTFE this, and then that just might. Which way am I going? That way. That is the wrong way. So when I'm tightening the fitting on, that's going to have to go up there. That's going to have to go on that. Alright, now that feels tight, yeah? All I'm going to do is do this. I'm just going to put a cap on it first before I pipe it up. And we're going to see if this is hunky-dory. Turn the mains on full and make sure that it goes. Right, let's get a cap on it. Make sure it works. Got a cap. Where's my cap? What come off there?